Giant cannibalistic lancetfish have been washing up on the Oregon coast, and no one knows why. Bizarrely, these reptilian-looking fish are usually only found in the deep ocean at depths of up to 3,300 feet. And speaking of the deep ocean, they are one of the largest animals in that area, as they can get to lengths of over 7 feet. They're pretty weird fish with a giant dorsal sail covering almost the entire length of their body, pores all over themselves, and they're hermaphroditic, meaning they have male and female reproductive organs. And they are indeed cannibalistic, which we know from finding little ones inside the bellies of much bigger ones.